Good morning, welcome to Morning Outlook. This is Kim speaking on Monday the 23rd of March. Okay, so the Euro overnight was really it tested the lows again through this Asian session and had a retest through, well, I say through the Asian session. It was through the the Asian session, but through yesterday evening there. So where to today? At the moment, it still looks pretty soft here. I'm just looking at this sort of price action on the 60-minute, and it looks like it could potentially just roll from where it is. It's just put a pivot swing in there, bearish pivot swing. Could just continue to roll over. Where to? Well, those lows at 106.50 would be logical point. Maybe it'll break lower towards that daily S1 if it runs down there. Just got to wait for this to run this morning a little bit. It's only just 8 o'clock as I'm recording this, so I'd wait a little while just to see if it just puts a little false bottom in and retracements, and maybe a retracement would give me an opportunity. Okay, that's the euro. The pound, a bit of the same really through actually we've not put a new low in there. It's still on Friday's lows and, well, holding up a little bit better. We do have the weekly pivots above, which may draw price upwards at some stage, but aside of that, let's have a look. And, well, again here I think it's a case of being a bit patient, just waiting, see what happens. It has also put the bearish pivot swing in on the day on the hourlies here. It could roll and continue to the downside. That's a key trend line of sort of running across these lows here, which may just hold price a little bit, but we'll see. It's only had 2 tests, so the third test may be a holding point where we may get a bounce, so just to watch for that. Again, it's just a case of waiting here, but may well get some retracements and opportunities to sell into. Alternatively, I may just wait for the break of this trend line and sell towards the lows there and that daily S1. Okay, dollar yen. Dollar yen, well, Friday, well, slight down day there. It's run down a little bit this morning. Weekly pivot sits below. That would provide us a nice bit of support potentially. It has got a bit of divergence at the very tops there. Maybe it's going to have a bigger correction, but at the moment, well, looking at this price action, a break above it, back above its daily pivot there would be bullish for the dollar yen. So there's potential further upside on that basis. Okay, on the downside, if I was looking on the downside here, I wouldn't want to go in this too early, because I think you could just get chopped up into a bit of downward price action, just as I'm expecting with the pound and the euro really. So you just may get chopped up into something, but I'd rather just be trading it on the upside really anyway, so let's just leave that. Aussie dollar, come back to the dailies here. It did manage an up day on Friday. We're not too far away from the weekly pivots, not too far above us. Price action at the moment, it's just really a case of looking, if it was to push up, is to sell into those key moving averages, particularly the 34 there. It came short of it on Friday. The weekly pivot 34 may be an opportunity for selling. Alternatively, the way this is sort of consolidating, maybe even a break of this trend across the lows here of this bear flag. So there's the bear flag sort of pattern, and looking then down towards that S1. So that's the Aussie. And the Canadian dollar, I was just thinking how much faster my E signal was running, and then it's gone all a bit slow on me. It's okay, so it bounced on Friday off the 8 moving average, again daily 8. It has got the weekly pivot below, but at this stage it just really looks like it may continue to the upside. But any sell-off point, again, that may give it a decent base into that weekly pivot. Very small movement at this stage here. I'll probably keep well away from it at this stage. So that's pretty much everything there. News-wise today, there is the G20 meetings which are being held via satellite. I'm not too sure of what specific timings there are of those on those, because they're not held in any one particular country. It may be sort of more midday-ish to include the more suitable times, but we'll see. But not expecting major stuff to come from that. Aside of that, there's no other news due out today. So that's it. I wish you a great day. Bye for now.